Is your AirPods head gesture feature not working? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you all the necessary solutions you can try to get your head gesture feature working again. It could be due to misconfigured settings, connection glitches, or problem with your Siri. So, try out these solutions to fix the problem. Solution 1. Try the basics. First, make sure you have the latest iOS. A pending update can cause issues like this. Go to Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. If you have any updates available, download and install them. Updates can fix bugs that cause AirPod issues. After that, go make sure Siri is enabled. If Siri is not enabled, you will not be able to use head gestures. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Siri, now select Talk to Siri. Make sure this is enabled with Siri or Hey Siri, or simply Hey Siri. If it's off, then enable it by following all the Siri prompts. After that, go back to the main Siri settings. Scroll down to Announce Calls. Tap on it. Now make sure one of the three options are selected. After confirming all of these options, check your issue. Solution 2. Restart and customize head gestures. Open your settings. Tap Bluetooth. Then tap the eye icon next to your connected AirPods. Now scroll down to head gestures and tap on it. Turn this feature off and then on again for the settings to refresh. After this, you can customize the accept reply and the decline dismiss inputs over here. You can help reconfigure the settings. After this is done, give your phone a restart. Once your phone restarts, connect your AirPods and check your issue again. Solution 3. Reset your AirPods. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods and test the feature again, and it should work now. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to fix it when your AirPods head gesture features aren't working. If this video helped you out, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Apple fixes just like this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.